Intel report, July 7, 2026, last 24 hours. Geopolitical and macroeconomics, Ukraine strikes 8 Russian shadow fleet tankers, escalating energy supply chain risks. Saudi-flagged crude oil tanker damaged near Hormuz after LNG tanker hit, Hormuz Strait tensions rising. Bearish for oil logistics, China's DeepSeek developing its own AI chip amid U.S. export restrictions. High impact, Beijing considering curbs on overseas access to China's top AI models. Strategic shift, French court shortens Le Pen's ban from office but orders electronic tagging. Neutral/political noise, general crypto market, Bitcoin stalls near $64,000 as open interest declines and U.S. demand weakens, potential for drop below $58,000. Watch, Binance launches. Covered call yield product targeting Bitcoin holders seeking returns. Bullish, yield innovation, Bonk faces $20 million treasury drain after malicious governance proposal exploit. Bearish/exploit risk, XRP stalls near $1.14 as breakout attempts lack volume. Neutral, strategy sells $216 million Bitcoin as company overhaul begins. Watch traditional finance plus crypto convergence. Coinbase secures UK authorization to offer traditional investments alongside crypto, expands to derivatives and equities. Bullish, Tether's former CIO plans sale of stake in stablecoin giant. Watch, leadership transition. Regulatory developments, EU lawmakers adopt digital assets policy stance post-MiCA transition. Neutral/clarifying, MiCA compliant. Euro stablecoins grew 128% before transition ended. Explosive growth, digital chamber files, amicus brief. Urging dismissal of NY lawsuit over 39,069 Bitcoin wallets. Watch DeFi and RWA tokenization, Binance covered call yield play signals, maturing DeFi TradFi yield bridge, bullish up arrow, Bonk exploit, highlights ongoing smart contract and governance vulnerabilities in meme/DeFi tokens. Risk AI and blockchain, Vitalik Buterin confirms AI identified his anonymous Ethereum proposal contribution. Strategic, China's DeepSeek AI chip development and potential export curbs highlight AI blockchain infrastructure race. High impact, Beijing curbing overseas. AI model access signals tech decoupling acceleration. Watch prediction markets. Oddlots podcast highlights sharps dominating prediction markets. Key insight, ongoing legal and adoption narratives around platforms like Kalshi remain active. Watch risk/opportunity analysis. Opportunities, Coinbase. UK expansion accelerates TradFi crypto convergence and derivatives access. MiCA stablecoin growth, 128%, shows regulatory clarity driving adoption. Yield products, Binance covered calls, bring sophisticated strategies to Bitcoin holders. AI chip developments, DeepSeek, open new blockchain AI infrastructure narratives. Risks, geopolitical flashpoints, Ukraine shadow fleet, Hormuz Strait, threaten energy and risk assets, Bitcoin technical weakness and open interest, decline signal potential near-term volatility, governance exploits, Bonk $20 million drain, underscore DeFi smart contract risks, U.S. demand weakness and macro headwinds, Japanese rates, pressure crypto rally. Recommendations, short/mid/long term, short term, 1 to 7 days, monitor Hormuz/Red Sea, style shipping risks and Bitcoin OI levels, watch Coinbase UK rollout impact. Midterm, 1 to 3 months. Position for stablecoin infrastructure plays post-MiCA and TradFi yield products. Track EU digital assets policy. Long-term, 3 to 12 months. Accumulate exposure to AI blockchain convergence, DeepSeek ecosystem, and Ethereum governance/AI tooling narratives. Risk warnings, 1/2. Elevated geopolitical risks in energy corridors and tech decoupling could trigger risk-off moves. Smart contract exploits remain prevalent. Regulatory clarity in EU is positive, but US and China policy shifts add uncertainty. Always DYOR, headlines are not financial advice. Key metrics to watch: Bitcoin open interest and spot demand trends, MiCA compliant stablecoin market cap growth, Coinbase, UK derivatives volumes, post-authorization, Hormuz Strait shipping and oil price reaction, AI chip development announcements from China players. This concludes your Market Intelligence Report for July 7, 2026.